Hello, so this is Marty from the Doherty Garden. Today we're looking at one succulent. I don't have the exact name on it at the moment, but I was throwing weeds out the other day, and the little portions, the little plants on the bottom, basically, I believe is related to the top plant. I'm not sure at this point, but basically I took one of these little stems over here and just had put it in a pot, just like this. And I just had it laying there, and you can see little remnants of what's left. But basically, I let it sit there for a couple of months, well, a garden going through the end of summer, beginning of fall. And I was getting ready to throw it out the other day, and I decided, let me just repot that little puppy. And that's when I noticed the top stem. I'm assuming it's the same thing, but at this point in the game, I'm not really sure. But I'm just going to say I put them both together this way. My memory keeps that in mind, that that's the plant that I got a leaf similar to what one was looking at. And what you can see on the bottom, let me just get a little closer up and see if you can get there a little better clarity on this tablet. It sucks, but those are all little baby plants back there, and the one in the middle is one large one. So I'm just yes and no, could be, maybe, but we'll just leave it like that at the moment, that it could be the parent plant up there, but I'm not sure. We'll just let it grow for a while and just see what happens. But right now I just wanted to capture the moment because it's a cool looking little plant, and I was amazed at the little flower effect of the mother plant in the middle there, and the one on the top, and the little baby one on the bottom, which is another version, but the middle one is that. So leaf structure is similar. The only trouble is that when you look at the top one, it looks so differently out than what it actually is. And just pardon me, this is the first time in about 2 years that my allamanda seeds on the left are just starting to germinate. I haven't seen them in a while. Apparently I just got them at the right time. I had about 40 allamanda seed pods, and I opened them up, and most of them had dried out, but these are the ones that didn't dry out. And I put them over there in that pot, so that's right next to us. And on the right is Kunti. What's the name of the Kunti? Wake up, Marty. Not the cardboards. This is another version of it, but it's very pretty. Meanwhile, I got an ant running along on my tablet. Let me get rid of him. Well, that's Marty at the Doherty Garden, and for now it's a succulent. I will research it to get a better proper name for it, so this way to show you. And thank you very much for stopping by. Enjoy the videos, and what we're doing is going through all the plants in the Doherty Garden. We'll eventually, in a couple of months, take a picture or film a video of everything that's growing here. So thank you for stopping by. Please like the video. If you have any questions, I love to learn. It's always learning something on it. If anybody wants to buy anything, let me know. I'm not looking to be a millionaire. Thank you for stopping by, and please subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye.